Dear parents, I'm excited to share the fantastic project your children have completed after 3 months of hard work in Scratch, web design, graphic design, and Python and game design. In Scratch, they created games, stories, and animations through coding. Web design taught them to create and design websites, while graphic design developed their skills in UI design, logos, and posters. Python and game design empowered them to solve real-world problems by creating their own games. These projects showcase their dedication, creativity, and new skills. We are incredibly proud of their progress and excited for their future achievements. Thank you, dear parents, for allowing IIPGH to nurture your children in programming.